Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. In today's video, I am going to explain notes and exercises of lesson 16 Earth, Sun and Moon. Okay. So here are words for practice for this lesson. You have to copy this in your notebooks. Lesson 16 Earth, Sun and Moon. So first we will see words for practice. Planet, Planet, planet. Orbit, Orbit, orbit. Atmosphere, Atmosphere, atmosphere. Spherical, what is this? It's spherical, Spherical, spherical. The shape of the earth is round and spherical, we have seen. Axis, Axis, axis. The imaginary line which passes from the earth from north to south. Rotation, movement of earth on its axis. Rotation, rotation. Revolution, movement of earth when earth revolves around the sun. Movement of earth around the sun. That is called revolution. Revolution, revolution. Next is natural satellite. There is moon, which is the natural satellite of earth. Natural, natural. Satellite, satellite, natural satellite. North, north. Pole, north pole. South, south pole. So children, here are some question answers in brief. First question, what is the shape of the earth? In the lesson we have seen the shape of the earth is round and spherical. Right children? So your answer is the earth is round, spherical and is slightly flat at the north and south poles. Earth is round and spherical, but it is flattened at the poles. At the north pole and at the south pole, it is flattened. Okay. Next question. Why is the earth a suitable home for plants and animals? As in the solar system, we have seen only on the planet Earth life is possible. So why plants and animals they can survive only on earth? Why earth is suitable home for plants and animals? The earth is a suitable home for plants and animals due to the presence of air, water and sunlight. See children, for the living things, these things, air, water and sunlight are essential things. So without these, they cannot survive. So as plants and animals are living things, they need air, water and sunlight. So these things are present only on earth. That's why earth is a suitable home for plants and animals. The earth is a suitable home for plants and animals due to the presence of air, water and sunlight. Next question, how is the sun useful to us? Sun gives heat and light for plants and animals to live and grow. Sun is the only source of heat and light on the earth, and for the living things, this is only the source of heat and light. So in this way, sun is useful to us. Next question, how are days and nights caused? So through the activity we have seen, because of rotation of earth on its axis, the part of the earth which is facing to the sun, it will be day, and the other part which is not facing to the sun, away from the sun, there it will cause night. So the main thing, the rotation of earth is responsible for causing days and nights. So answer is the rotation of the earth on its axis causes days and nights. Okay. Next question, what is a new moon? The day when we do not see the moon at all is called the new moon. So the day when we do not see the moon, actually moon will be appearing in very thin curved shape it will be appearing. That's why we cannot see it. It will be very light in the sky. It will be new moon. When it become the complete circle, it is called full moon. So new moon we cannot see on the sky because it will be lightly appearing in the sky. So the day when we do not see the moon at all is called the new moon. How are seasons caused? The revolution of earth around the sun causes seasons. The revolution of earth around the sun causes seasons. As rotation causes days and nights, revolution causes seasons. When earth revolves around the sun, when it be passing from different phases from the sun and at the different distances, the seasons, summer, winter, autumn and spring causes. Okay, the main term is revolution here. The revolution of earth around the sun causes seasons. Okay children, so we have completed this lesson with the notes. All of you copy it in your notebooks with correct spelling, with neat handwriting, and write neatly, correctly and complete your notes. Okay children, that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.